Hello, everybody. IOHK just announced their delegation awardees for the 100 pools they're selecting to award 3.2 million ADA in delegation to. This will help all these pools basically more reliably produce blocks every epoch for their delegators and really help to secure the network by distributing the number of operators, the kinds of infrastructure, the kinds of hardware that the pools are all running on, or that the network is all running on. This is super cool because some people speculate that Bitcoin is being run by like 5 or so organizations, mostly out of China, and so the fact that we were able to kind of fortify and build up all these stake pools with this delegation is really cool. And it's kind of incumbent on the rest of us in the community to take what IOHK has started and support these pools so that when IOHK moves on, they're kind of self-sustaining and able to produce blocks reliably. So quickly, if we head over here, we can see these are the pools that were selected. I'm really happy because I see a lot of people that I've been in contact with in the Telegram channel and in various places. Pulled up a few. Brave is always posting funny Mel Gibson, Braveheart memes to Twitter. What's the next one? I think Heart. Heart is the infographic king. I always use this to explain staking to people. If you're not aware of it, you can just Google Ada Heart staking guide, and really helpful. Who else is there? Well, I was happy to see Smog because I actually didn't understand his site so much, this pool.pm. But now it's actually my favorite site for scoping out a stake pool because it didn't make sense to me at first before I started running my own pool. But you can basically see, at a glance how much they have staked. And especially for pool operators, I really recommend this because you get a real-time feed of delegators coming into your pool. Right, and I actually use it. I think a few other people use it as like their Twitter banner because it just gives you a nice snapshot of all the relevant things. And the guy obviously knows like modern web design. It's quite nice, quite trendy. So really happy for Smog. There's a bunch of other people. Viper, if Viper ever watches one of these, he's actually the one who inspired me to create my site because I really liked his epical. Is that a word? Every epoch staking report. I liked it so much I copied it and wanted to make my own because I thought what he was doing, looking at the different statistics that were changing from epoch to epoch were super cool. So that was actually the inspiration for me making monadpool.com/cardano.html. So what I've done for you guys right now is I've taken those 100 or so pools. There were a few that are missing in my DB. I'll have to check out why that is. But I think I got like 97 of them. So that was pretty representative. And we can kind of look at, these are all the relays that were recipients, or relays of the pools that were recipients of IOHK's delegation. So you can kind of see, I added this filter in for the ticker, so that's giving us the ticker. And then if I add another ticker in or another filter in for total stake, we can see all the pools that were not able to mint a block reliably every epoch by putting this filter for total stake from 0 to 1.5 million. And so all these relays belonged to pools that were not previously able to do that. So you can see Topo over here. He was at what? Let me turn on comparison mode so I can get a thing. So you see here, what was he at? He was at 675K. So before today, he or they were only able to mint a block every other epoch or so. I'm guessing. But now they'll be producing blocks every epoch. Yugto Hada. Is this in Vietnam? Northern Vietnam. That's pretty cool. I didn't know there was a pool over there. What was that? 135,000. 135,000 stake. So I think when I was there, that's like, you know, a block every 10 epochs or 12 epochs. Pretty demotivating, right? So I think that's really cool that this Hada pool is now going to be able to be minting blocks every epoch. Whack. We are Cardano. Another what is this? 1 million, just barely, almost there. Pretty cool. What's this? Amiao, Ada Miao. 166. These are really small pools that are getting a big boost. A lot of wind in their sails to help them kind of go forward. Babel, that's funny. Babel is my bud on Twitter. We're always chatting, and he joined my Twitch stream, so that was good. He's got this is like a double boost to him. I think what was it, last night or something, 2 nights ago, he just got like a 1 or 2 million ADA stake, and now he's got this 3.2 million. So huge props to Babel for that. It's really cool. He's a student, computer science student, studying. So I can't imagine what I would feel like if I was a student with a pool that just got, you know, 3.2 million ADA delegated to it. That's so cool. Super happy for him. Topo again. Yeah. So that's that. We can stake it, do another thing, right? If we go to this filter, we can also see, I'm curious what the largest pool was that was awarded by going from here. So from there, okay, we got some. Straight. I think Straight actually contributes some something to the community, or one of the tools. I think I've seen it on some dev lists or something. So that would kind of make sense, because what? Oh, that's a lot. He's got 54 million ADA. So I don't know what that's about, but I guess he's probably like a central person in the community and does a lot of stuff. So that's probably why that was awarded. Those are some of the next ones down from them. Oops. These are some big ones too. Astra, I think I saw them on Dead recently. They're working on some stuff. Hotel, this guy is pretty cool. He's going to rename his hotel after Cardano if he gets to a certain level of stake. So you can check in, but you can never leave. So yeah, but I mean, if you look at it like IOHK was saying, almost all of these pools are small operators that were kind of in need of some kind of motivation or boost to get them going. And I think the main idea here is actually that every quarter IOHK is going to move their delegations around. So hopefully it'll be a cool experiment to see that now that all these 100 pools have got enough to reliably produce blocks every epoch, whether or not the community and all the, you know, delegators or just normal ADA holders can support these pools and help decentralize the network. It's kind of a cool experiment to see. I'm pretty interested in how this is working out. Maybe I might actually add a flag in the database for these pools that were selected, so that you can kind of track and see the success of them and the growth of them. It'd be pretty interesting to see if they grow faster than other pools of their size, or other pools of the previous size that they were going forward, right? That would kind of show that this delegation strategy is working. If we can show that a pool gets a 3.2 million ADA grant and then go on to, you know, attract other delegation throughout the community, that would kind of justify this, I think, from IOHK's perspective, because it's kind of actually amazing if you think about it. They just they delegated 100 pools, 3.2 million ADA. That means that 320 million ADA is not a small chunk of ADA. I think all of us would be pretty happy to have 320 million ADA, but they could have delegated that into another, what, 5-ish, I think, 320 divided by 64 million, 5-ish fully pledged private pools. And those pools are pretty gangster. I don't know if you've checked out Pool2.io. Maybe we'll check that out quickly. Pool2.io. If you check out the declared pledge pools, you can see here. What is it? Let's go see some of the rewards for these guys. These pools are getting 60 to 70, 77,000 ADA every epoch. So if they had chosen to delegate here or there, here in one of these pools, another one of these pools, they could have been getting, I guess it's the delta between this and that. So let's see. This is around what, like 65,000 per epoch. And if we go check out some of those low staked 64 million pools, like the Binance pools, I guess we gotta go by active stake to see those. See Mergo. Mergo's got tiny pledge. I didn't want your website. I wanted to see this. So looks like 20 to 30,000 ADA per epoch difference between a fully pledged pool and these probably smaller pledged pools that they've awarded to. So let's say it's 25,000 ADA per epoch times 5. 150,000 ADA per epoch is what they're losing off the top of my head in return for delegating to the community. So 150,000 ADA, every 5 days is not a chump change, right? If you or somebody knows how to get 150,000 ADA every 5 days, please let me know. We'll figure something out. I think that does it for this video. I just wanted to quickly mention something else. I am hosting a live session tomorrow for anyone who wants to join a live chat and see how to use monad pools, this website over here, how to use this to find a pool that suits your needs. If tomorrow at UTC 1 a.m. or Friday 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the States doesn't work for you, get in touch with me in DMs or on Twitter or Telegram, your favorite social network, and we'll figure out a slot that works for you. I'm happy to do a one-on-one session. And what I want to hear is like actual, like normal users. What are they trying to figure out when it comes to finding a stake pool? And so if you're someone who doesn't know, how to pick a stake pool or something like that, get in touch and we can help you, walk you through it. I promise not to recommend to delegate to Monad. So we'll help find something either close by to you, close by to your hometown, or in a region of the world that you want to support helping Cardano spread out to. So I think that does it for today. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, share, blah, 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 blah. Okay, have a good one. Cheers.